Hi everyone, welcome to Marked Improvement Headlight Restoration. My name's Mark and today I'm going to be giving you a whistle stop tour of my Citroen Berlingo van. Welcome back everyone. So yes, I thought it would be quite a nice idea to give you a little tour of my van. I guess you could say this is my office because I'm a completely mobile service. Love my van. I've had it now, be 3 years this August I believe. I bought it from a really nice chap called Mark Ferrari, who runs EEC vehicle sales up in Essex, and I bought it from him with 186,000 miles on the clock, which was a bit of a risk, I suppose you could think, but it had good service paperwork. It was in really good order, really nice vehicle at the time, so I took the risk and bought it. Now we're knocking on the door of 240,000 miles, to be fair. Lots of oil changes in that time. Hardly anything, touch wood, has ever gone wrong with it. It's been really good to me. So as a van, I'd recommend it to anyone, the old Citroen Berlingo van, definitely. What I wanted to do was just show you around it. I've made a few changes to it myself with the help of other people, and I'll put their links in the description of this video. So anything I mention, if you're interested in anything I mention about the van, like for example, I'm going to start by talking about the tyre wall stickers, then you can go to the description and look them up. So yeah, if we have a look, first thing, the thing that gets the most comments are the tyre wall stickers, and I do think they're quite nifty. Quite a few people have pointed out the fact that they like those. I couldn't get the wheels and tyres I wanted and still can't, so a couple of years ago now I decided to get these tyre wall stickers. So yeah, I'll put their link in the description, so if you want to go and have a look at what they do, they're really nifty. I think it really changes the look of the van. And yeah, so also the pinstripe here, and a lot of the work, like we've got the glossy wing mirror covers, the front bumper now that's been wrapped, the sun strip, the eyebrows that are vinyl, lots of things like that have all been carried out by a local chap, Drew, who runs Big Duke Tinting, and he's done loads of work on this van, like I just pointed out, all those bits and pieces. Oh, these as well, these have been wrapped, so that was all carried out by Drew, and again, it all adds up to making the van look much better, especially when it's been cleaned and detailed. You can't really do without those bits and pieces. So yeah, I'll stick a link to Drew's website probably in the description, so you can go and check out his work. Essentially, he's a window tinter, but now he does everything right up to full car wraps. So go and check him out. Really good stuff. And I think you probably agree. And the door handles, you know, they've been wrapped, for example, and they're really good, really nice. Never had any problems with the vinyl coming away. So and it all adds up to helping the van look much nicer. Something else I've just remembered is the old indicator, and I'll stick a little video in the video so you can see I've got my little side repeaters that are quite nifty, but I just bought those off eBay, to be fair, so I don't really know. You can just go on eBay and find those, but again, just make it stand out a little bit, make it a little bit different. I mean, I've got high hopes for the van, but as always with these things, it's money and time. The other things I want to do to the van, for example, I'd love to have the van on air ride, so it can go up and down. I'd love to see it all the way down to the floor, just because it would look so different. And so I've got quite high hopes for the business. Same for the van. But we're doing pretty good so far. Along with the help of people like Drew, I've got it looking quite nice. If we walk around the front of the van, you can see Drew's work on the bumper that's still not finished. I've still got the plastic grille. All this was wrapped by Drew as well. Not forgetting as well the signs. My logo has been designed by myself and my family, but the actual vinyl sign printing that you see all over the van was carried out by another local company called Go Girl Signs. And again, I can put a link to their website in the description. So I really like my logo, and I think again I wanted a black van, so I didn't have to wrap a white one. We always had the idea of black and yellow, and I think it looks really nice. So yeah, that's that. Drew tinted my fog lights as well. They are yet to be hooked up, but they look pretty good even when they're not on. But hopefully in the next couple of weeks we might get around to getting those electrified so I can finally see those working. Very nice, customised. They were just normal white and black furry dice, but we made our own customisations to those, so they're quite nifty. Just walking around the back of the van now. Again, you can see. Oh, this was bought. This foil and the wind deflectors on the windows were bought off a company online called Dragon Van Accessories, I think they are. And again, I can put a link to their website in my description. So if you're interested, I don't know if you're watching this and you've got a Peugeot partner or a Citroen Berlingo van, and you're interested in one of these, because this is solid. We did this ourselves. Drew wrapped it again, came just fiberglass, and we stuck that on with Tiger Seal, and that hasn't moved an inch. And again, I think it just adds up to making the van look a little bit different, a little bit nicer. They were tinted by Drew. Again, just makes them sit down a bit because the van's black, so it's nice if they're a bit more into the van, so to speak. And I'm just trying to think what else it was I wanted to mention. I mean, put comments below in the comments as to what you think about the van, because I'm always up for people's opinions on things. Like I say, the main thing I'd like to do is get it on air ride, so it's going up and down and doing all that fancy stuff, but I'd like to see it lowered. I've got some real ideas about seeing it on the floor. So yeah, that's my 2013 Citroen Berlingo van. A little walk around for you there. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please leave comments as to what you made of the video, be kind, and also comments about any of the things that I've shown you that I've made changes to on the van, and your comments about things I could do to it, even though I think I've probably got enough ideas of my own. It's my little office, my pride and joy, and I've really enjoyed showing you around the van. Thanks again, watch this space, cheers.